We'll guide you through how to make a layer transparent in Clip Studio Paint. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by locating and opening Clip Studio Paint on your desktop. Wait for the application to finish loading completely. Then find the Draw option on the main screen. Click the Draw button to open your work canvas and enter the workspace where you can create and edit artwork. Once the canvas is open, locate the menu on the left side of the interface. From this menu, find and select the brush tool. To demonstrate the transparency feature, create a simple line on the canvas. This line is only used as an example, and you can apply the same method to any artwork, illustration, sketch, or painted object. With the brush tool selected, click on the canvas and drag the tool across the screen to create the line. After creating the example artwork, locate the layer palette, which is usually positioned on the right side of the workspace. The layer palette contains all the layers used in your project and allows you to control their properties. Click on the layer you want to adjust so it becomes selected. Make sure the correct layer is highlighted in the layer palette before continuing, as any changes you make will only affect the currently selected layer. Once the desired layer is selected, look near the top of the layer palette and find the opacity slider. This control determines how visible or transparent the contents of the selected layer will appear. Click and hold the opacity slider control, then drag the slider toward the left. As you move the slider, the opacity value decreases and the artwork on the canvas becomes more transparent. Watch the line or artwork carefully as you lower the opacity value. Continue adjusting the slider until the layer reaches the transparency level that best suits your project. If you prefer more precise control, you can use a specific value instead of dragging the slider. Click inside the opacity percentage box and enter a desired value, such as 50%, to set an exact transparency level.